So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a membership site in Clickfunnels. So for that, just dive in, and the first step is to create a membership funnel. So you need to select the build funnel from the Clickfunnels menu, or just click on build a funnel from the dashboard. And once you do that, then you have to click sell your product. So choose this button and then click on membership. So choose this button here. Then you need to name your membership funnel and then click on build funnel tag. You can also add group tag here. And alternatively, you can use a pre-made membership funnel from the cookbook by clicking on this link here. And after that, you need to select the page templates. So it is an important note. You can only have one membership access step and membership area step type per funnel. So then just click on membership access step in the funnel, then click on the membership category and then select membership access page template is on here, and then select the membership area step in the funnel this here, then click on the membership category and membership area page template. And that is how you actually create a membership in ClickFunnels. If you want to revisit this article here, just go to this link. I'll put this in the description below so you can follow along and build a membership funnel. So that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.